What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro Dimonriva, and today I'm going to do you a solid, and we are going to make a Holland Razorblade. Now, this is an old school cocktail. I have not been able to find very much on it. It has been in my repertoire for a very long time. It is one of the very first cocktails that I learned how to create when I started bartending. And it is a very simple gin sour. It's basically a sour. Like the first sour was a gin sour. But instead of using London dry gin, we're using Genever, or as like AKA Holland's gin. Genever, a lot of people say, is the precursor to gin. It's been around since the 1575, as the Bowles Company has been making it that whole time. I will definitely get into a longer talk about Genever and what it is at another time. But today, I just want to get into making the cocktail. So first thing we're going to do, just super simple. 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, 2 ounces of Genever, or Genever. People are going to mess with my presentation. My pronunciation is what I meant to say. And that's 2 ounces of Genever or Genever. And then we're just going to add ice to our tin. Lock our tin and shake it. Now, even though we did a gear check before I started this video, I am lacking something and I gotta go get something, guys. Luckily, it's right next to me, but we can't very well strain without a strainer. And as you guys like to know, I like to double strain with my lovely, huge Barfly mixology gear fine strainer. So I'm just gonna fine strain that cocktail into a glass. And we're going to garnish with a little bit of cayenne pepper. And you want to make sure to go kind of easy. You don't want to be too crazy on the cayenne. Just a little bit. And there we have it, my friends, the Holland Razorblade. Let's see how this sits with us. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. I love that cocktail. So it's a traditional sour. It's going to be, lemon balanced out with sugar, but the Genever is maltier in flavor, so you get kind of a malty kind of back end to it, and then you get a little spice from the cayenne. I think you guys will really like this. It's a nice, refreshing drink. So go and make this cocktail right now in your kitchen or home bar. See you guys next time.